Welcome back to our channel. Today, we'll guide you on how to transfer chats on WhatsApp. Whether you're getting a new phone or simply want to switch devices, this full guide will help you seamlessly transfer your chats. Let's get started. Step 1. Open WhatsApp on your Android device and ensure that you're logged into your account. Step 2. Tap the three dots located at the top right corner of the page. This will open the settings menu. Step 3. From the settings menu, tap on Chats. Step 4. Next, find the option for Transfer Chats and tap on it. Step 5. Tap Start to begin the transfer process. Step 6. Tap Continue and make sure to turn on your location for a successful transfer. Step 7. Now, grab your new phone and open WhatsApp. Scan the QR code displayed on your new phone using the old phone. By following these simple steps, you can easily transfer your chats on WhatsApp to your new device. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more useful guides and tips. Thanks for watching. Transfer your WhatsApp chats effortlessly with this full guide. That's all for today's video. We hope you found this guide helpful. Stay tuned for more informative videos. Happy chatting!